seat. I was gonna wait till like I get back home to show it to you guys, but I'm very impatient, so welcome home. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all having a great day today. I'm having a great one, to be honest. I'm pretty happy right now. I am on my way to pick up my dream wheels for my 350Z. It's been a long time coming. I don't know why it took this long to buy these wheels, to be honest, but I mean, better late than never, I guess. I've been wanting to buy these wheels almost since I bought the car. I don't know why. Like I said, I really don't know why I haven't bought them. I should have bought these wheels instead of the Nismos, but when I found the Nismo 57s, it was a pretty good deal for them being brand new. So I wanted to cop those, be a little bit different, but these were like my dream wheels all along. And long story short, I found a deal on them and we are on the way to pick them up. It's crazy though, because these are the exact specs, the exact type of like colorway that I wanted. Everything is literally perfect about these wheels, the specs, the color, everything. And another good thing about this whole purchase is that this guy lives like 5 to 10 minutes away from me, so I don't gotta travel super far like I usually have to. But yeah, we're currently about like 5 minutes away. I'll pick up the camera once we have the wheels. All right guys, we're here, got the cash ready. Let's go get my dream wheels. All right guys, the wheels are currently in the back seat. I was gonna wait till like I get back home to show it to you guys, but I'm very impatient, so welcome home to my TE37s. Been a long time coming, bro. These are literally perfect. They're 18 by 10.5 plus 15. They're the black edition. They're literally my dream wheels, bro. Literally. It's crazy though, because I wasn't really in the market for some. But long story short, if you guys might remember the RPF ones that are on this car, I bought them off my homie Chris, and he kind of wants to make a comeback with his car, and he wants to buy these wheels back eventually, like in a couple of weeks. So I said, why not? Might as well buy these beauties right now that they're up for sale before somebody else grabs them. So I'm officially a TE37 owner. I'll definitely get some better like clips and videos of it right now once I get home, but I'm gonna call this man because he knows how bad I've been wanting TEs, and he would always talk shit. So hey, what's up? Say what's up to the vlog.
What do you want now?
I got something to show you, something I just bought. What do you think it is?
A dildo.
Come on, bro, for real.
What do I think you just bought?
Yeah. If you guess it right,
give me 3 hints.
Three hints? Okay, it's all right. Go. You got 3 guys.
Let me ask for what car?
For the Z.
Is it a mechanical piece?
No. Last hint. Use it wisely.
Is it a dildo shift knob?
No.
Shit. I'm out. Oh damn. Okay. That's not too shabby. Not too shabby.
It took me long enough, didn't it?
Yeah. That's pretty sick.
6.5 hours later.
Alright guys, it is now a couple hours later from the last clip you guys just saw. I know I told you guys that I was gonna get home and show you guys the wheels, but long story short, I did not go home. I actually went to my girl's house. I offloaded the wheels there, and I ended up taking her parents to the airport. So now I'm on my way home. It's now obviously dark. I'm gonna go ahead and get these wheels off, get them clean, and I'm gonna go on vacation tomorrow. I'm going to Mexico tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna put them on the car right now, just to show you guys how it looks. I'm gonna clean them up, jack up the car, swap the wheels, throw them on the car, see how they look, show you guys how they look, and then pretty much in the morning before I leave, I can't really turn on my car because when I turn it on, fuel goes everywhere kind of. I'm gonna push it out tomorrow to my driveway, get some pictures, and hopefully I can push it back in. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna go to my house, like I said, clean the wheels, slap them on, and let's see how they look. Also, you guys know I had to turn on the red star lights to match the T's. Man, that's crazy, bro. Got my 2 kids in the back. T-E. Oh, this is fucking cool. I know some of you guys are probably like, bro, like, these wheels are so basic. Why'd you get them? Now you're just another guy with T's, bro. Like, I'm telling you guys, these have been my dream wheels almost since I bought the car. I literally found a picture of some Barstow ES2s that I had on the Z. Like in 2019, those are pretty much the reps of T37s. Back then I ended up coming up on those, so I threw them on, pretty much fake TEs. I ended up selling those. Oh no, actually I traded those for my work CRs with cash on top. I traded those, and after I sold the works, that's when I got the Nismos. When I sold the works, I was gonna get TEs instead of the Nismos, but The Nismos at that time were brand new. I wanted to be different. They look super good. Brand new, they were, I guess, a little bit cheaper, so I went with that option. But ever since then, I should have got TEs. So I finally got TEs, and now I'm gonna keep the Nismos and the TEs, which, in my opinion, it's kind of like a flex. So I didn't want to get TEs until I found the right pair to be able to also. The ones that are going to be getting sold though are going to be RPF ones more than likely, but I'm pretty much sending them back to the original owner, Chris. And hopefully he brings his car back as well, so I can bring back another build to the channel. I'm saying bring back because he was already part of the channel, but long story short, he brought out the car and he kind of wants to make a comeback. So anyways, I feel like I've been talking a lot this vlog, and I feel like it's kind of cool. I haven't really talked to the camera in so long. It feels pretty good. So alright guys, we made it home. Here is a good close-up look at the wheels. Unfortunately, it is nighttime, so it's not the best, but yeah, they're the black edition TE37 SLs. Literally my dream wheels, bro. Like I said, dream finish. They're perfect. Everything is perfect about them, except for the fact that they need tires, but not a big deal. This tire is a little too wide for my liking for the front, so I would have taken them off anyways. But before we throw them on the Z, I am going to go ahead and clean it real quick with this little thing I used. It's like a McGuire's acid wheel washer or whatever. I'll spray them down, clean them up, and then throw them on the Z and see how it looks. Alright, I'm gonna just clean the back and dry them up. I don't think you guys really want to watch that, so I'll pick up the camera once they're all clean. Just like that, the wheels are all clean. He even ended up throwing on some tire shine on them. Damn. Can't wait to see how they look on the car. Also, the car doesn't move, so I'm gonna have to jack it up with this little bit of space. I've done it before, but it's definitely not the funnest thing. Obviously, I'm gonna move this car, but let's get to work. All right, guys, take a last look at the Z with the Nismo 57 CRs. I don't know if I'll ever put these wheels back on this car again, to be honest. These were always the wheels that were gonna go on this car. So, bye 57 CRs, and hello TE37s. Bro. Literally, when I first started building this, actually, before I keep talking, let's go ahead and drop the car, because right now it looks like a monster truck. See how this thing looks on the floor? Bro. Well, the tires are a little flat. I gotta put air in them, but dude, when I first started building this car, this was my ultimate dream setup. Red with a black TE37 with the red sticker. TEs on the Z. Finally, bro. Can't get over it. Finally got TEs on the Z. Finally got TEs on the Z, guys. Literally my ultimate dream setup. All I need is the B-locks now. Probably gonna end up sending these and get some B-locks, possibly. But honestly, I do kind of like the non-B-lock look, so I'm not really in a rush. But literally my dream setup. Red, all the red accents, black T37s, red Volk Racing sticker. It's crazy, bro, because I'm telling you guys, like, I used to fantasize about this. Not fantasize, but you guys know what I mean. I used to, like, literally, like, you guys ever daydream? This is literally how I would see my car when we finally did it. Should have done it a long ass time ago, but better late than never. Alright, but what are you guys taking? The T37 side? Or the 57 CR side? I'm not gonna lie, the 57 CRs do look really, really, really good on this car too, but I don't know. It's just something I had to do for myself. I know some of you guys might be like, oh, it's basic wheels. I don't care, bro. They've always been my dream wheels. I just took forever to get them for whatever reason. Alright, let's go ahead and do the other side, because I gotta wake up early, because like I said, I'm going to Mexico tomorrow. So serious question, which one are you guys taking? T37 or Nismo 57 CR? I love these wheels, don't get me wrong. These are probably my second favorite wheels of all time, but I think I'm still taking the T's. Let me know, what are you guys choosing? Last T is on.
Is that bad?
That's fine. No, that's cool. So
No, you're probably hella mad.
So I have my cousin. He's not really into cars, but he's like here just chilling. And he's never, how can you say, like, brought down a car before on a jack. I was like, hey, spin it, because I couldn't do it with one arm. It was pretty tight. And yeah, Thanks.
Just fine.
Alright guys, enough of all that. The last TE is on. This thing is looking real good, bro. I know you guys can't really see it, but this thing just needs a wash. It's been neglected, but these wheels are really gonna make me take it to the shop this week and get it back up and running. Luckily, my boy Adrian from E-Class Tunes told me that this thing will be fixed like in 5-10 minutes. I just have to obviously tow it over there. I was gonna tow it like last week or 2 weeks ago, but I don't know. I just started liking it. Like I didn't really have motivation to, but now with these wheels, I'm definitely gonna take it as soon as possible, so I could get videos rolling with the TE37 and the S71 combo, and start enjoying the car again. But yeah, guys, that's how the Z is looking right now. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and go inside. I have to wake up like in 4 hours or so, because like I said earlier in the video, I'm going to Mexico tomorrow, so I'm going on a little vacation. But before I leave, I am planning on waking up a little bit earlier and pushing the Z out, getting some pictures for you guys, and seeing this thing out in the sunlight. So with that being said, I'll go ahead and pick this video up tomorrow in the morning. What is up, YouTube? It is now the next morning. Honestly, it's probably like 3 or 4 hours from the last clip you guys just saw. I haven't really slept anything, but I am not leaving without showing you guys the wheels outside and without me taking some pictures before I leave. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm running a little late. I'm running a little bit behind schedule, but like I said, I'm not leaving without that. So let's go ahead and push this thing out and see how this thing looks. Yeah, it's not gonna work out. The tire just popped somehow. That is so crazy. I was in the middle of pushing this thing out and this thing literally popped. I put air in it. What the fuck? I never had a tire pop on me like that before, and I did not overfill it. I probably had like 10 psi in there at most. I rolled it back like an inch and boom. What the fuck? Well, I guess never mind. I'm not pushing this thing out after all. What the why did it pop? Bro, it had like 10, 15 psi at most. Thank God it popped and nothing happened to the fender. That shit was weird. No way that just happened, bro. That's actually super weird, bro. That's never happened to me ever in my life. I know the tire was done, but it just doesn't make sense to me. I don't know. But anyways, I guess we're not taking the car outside, but I mean you could kind of see the car better in the lighting. Even though I'm still in the garage, there's still better lighting in here. I'm still tripping out, bro. I wish I could have got that on camera. It was like a loud ass pop. I was like, bro, what? But enough of all that. I'm lucky still in a hurry, so give you guys a quick little walk around in the garage, I guess. You guys can see this in better lighting. Take a few pictures. I guess the reveal pictures are going to be taken in the garage. I would wait till I tow it to the shop, but I'm super impatient. I'm not going to be able to keep this a secret for too much longer, so I'm really bummed out, bro. I wanted better pictures. And now you can kind of tell that it's flat in the pictures. But I still can't get over that, bro. I did not there's no way I put too much air in this thing. At most, if it's flat, I was putting air in it for like a minute. A minute and 10 seconds. If that. I don't even remember, but I did not overfill it. There's no way I put too much air in it. There's no way. Yeah, I don't know. But enough about that. Like I said, I am kind of running late, like always. So let's push it back and leave the car sitting for a couple of days. Last look before I go inside and get ready. I can't stop staring at this car, bro. I'm so happy.